Big close up. Butt crack.
We got a YouTube video.
Wait a minute. Oh. Butt crack.
Middle of the fairway.
Have to know if it's recording or not.
I like jump in front of him as he's swinging. Oh yeah, Dave. Oh yeah. That had some pop.
You ready, Rick?
Yeah. That had some real pop. That was a really nice one.
Playing good. I think your first couple, there's the first 2 or 3 holes you started? I was double bogeying everything about the last 7. But mostly it was the short stuff. They've been driving pretty well. Playing with that swing stuff.
Do you think that helps you?
I think it helps you build up more muscle in the body, especially if you're swinging the bounce. You really shouldn't swing as hard as you can.
Oh, we got a friend over there.
You want to do me?
Is it on?
Yeah, just leave. All you gotta do is point.
Okay.
It says, do you want to do that?
Now see, I was going to get you over more to this.
My mind didn't go there like yours. I think we're okay. I didn't mean to go that far.
I was going to get you more out here. Let's see.
But I ain't
Okay.
This is how you guys are getting picked.
To the moon, Alice. Perfect form. Yeah, it's perfect form.
Probably would have been a pretty good drive.
I can't see the ball, but it sounded good.
Right up to it.
Okay, Chuck. Good hit.
Dun, 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 dun. Alrighty then.